How to redeem Samsung Rewards points in 2025. Now you can only do this method to access the Samsung.com's official site. Now run or use any preferred web browser that you want to use on your end, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now again, head directly to Samsung.com official website. Now if you hover your mouse directly to the shop tab right here, and then under benefits, head on Samsung Rewards. Now this is where you will be seeing all the instructions on how you can earn or accumulate points, and then as well as redeeming your points from Samsung. So according to them, a checked out, select Samsung Rewards is a payment method. Of course, login is required, and then choose how many points to use and submit. Now your points or discount will only be applied upon payment. So what is stating here is basically if you will be choosing any specific offers that Samsung is offering us to purchase, is upon payment or on the payment area before officially paying that specific gadget, you can go ahead and consume any balance that you have on your points so that you can lessen the actual price of the product that you'll be purchasing. So that's it. That's how you redeem Samsung Rewards points in 2025.